insanity. If you think that of me, then we should not be together and we should not work together.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you that right now. If you think that, I don't want us to be together.
Okay.
So if you think that.
Okay, sure. I agree.
Which is why I'm about to tear it down with this tweet.
Just because we're incompatible doesn't mean you have to try to destroy my life.
I do.
Why?
I'm down to 0. Because I built it for someone I thought I was compatible with.
You didn't build it for someone. I literally put in hours of streaming, all of my work, like I learned at the photo shoots. I've done the work too. It's not like I'm just fucking.
Oh, now you're claiming credit for it.
What do you mean I'm claiming credit for it? I've literally been the one streaming for all these years and doing the photo shoots. Like, what the fuck do you mean claiming credit? And now he's texting me, wow, you did it this time, you ruined us. Really? I'm the one that ruined us? You literally told me you were gonna kill my dogs, and you expect me not to snap after you say you're gonna ruin everything, you asshole? What do you mean, why? You guys just heard all this bullshit? What do you mean, why? If you're gonna fucking try to stab me in the back on my social media platforms, it deserves to be out there that you're the one fucking lying and being an asshole to me. What the fuck?
I can't hear you.
Good, I don't care. I've been dealing with you being an asshole to me for years and just disappearing from stream for 12 hours at a time. A lot of times you're like, why you got? I have to make up bullshit because you don't want to tell people about the fact that you fucking asshole to me for so long. You just take me away from my stream and start arguing at me for 12 hours at a time. They told me we're gonna go 24, we're gonna go 48. Like, yeah, you fucking asshole. Like, I deal with so much shit from you. I have so many offers from better people in my DMs who would actually treat me better. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? It's like you don't even care? Like, the one person who fucking hates Amouranth is the one she decided to be with, and I made the most terrible decision of my life, and now you just, like, fucking want to ruin it?
Why did you swap me?
Dude, you're fucking full of shit! Oh my fucking god. Literally got physical with me. And then, like, fucking trying to take my phones away because he was gonna destroy my PC when I recorded it. Now he's just trying to say bullshit because he knows he fucked up. He just admitted he was lying. Fucking asshole. Maybe stop making threats about you're gonna ruin my career and kill my dogs and sell my horses and send them to a meat auction if you're gonna fucking be this way. No, I'm not gonna answer your phone call now. The fuck? Now that you know that I'm streaming it and you're like, oh fuck. Yeah, you piece of shit. You're just gonna lie because you know that it's live, asshole. God, fucking tired of this shit. Yeah, fucking tweet about it, bitch. You literally just admitted you were lying about the tweet, you fucking dipshit. Fake as fuck. God, I wish. I've been telling him we fight so much we should just fucking stream it. Just fucking done with it. Never good enough. When I was a 500k Andy, it was like, why can't you just get 1k? When I was a 1k, why can't you just get 5k? When I was 5k, why can't you just get 10k? And now that I'm a 10k Andy, it's like, why can't you be at 20k? It's like, it's never fucking good enough. I don't get days off. I don't get to see my horses. He's saying he's gonna sell my horses because I'm not hitting 20k, 15k average viewers. Fucking tired of this shit. Fucking asshole, dude. So fucking toxic. I can't fucking have a normal stream and enjoy myself without comparing me to every single fucking girl that's online right now. You have all these followers. You should be 2 times as much. 3 times as much. You should be at 5x reviewers. I'm like, shut the fuck up and just let me enjoy my fucking stream. I fucking can't deal with it anymore. The threatening to fucking kill my dogs. Too much. Now he's blaming me. He's like, oh, I was literally answering DMs while arguing with you. It's still working. You just ruined us. Like, well, maybe you shouldn't fucking say you're gonna kill my dogs, you fucking dipshit. Like, I'm so tired of it. If you can't fucking control yourself, fucking go to anger management like I've been trying to tell you for years. Go get fucking therapy. God. I'm tired of this shit. Like, I haven't left for years because it's like a Jekyll and Hyde situation where it's like when we're not fighting, everything feels like when we were dating again. It's like, fuck off. You want to divorce me? Fine. Whatever. I don't care anymore. I'm just tired of it. Just divorce me because I wasn't successful enough for you, even though I helped you make fucking multi-millions of dollars. You want to burn it all to the ground because you're a bitch? Fucking sure. Whine about it. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'd rather be broke again and deal with this shit anymore. I don't give a fuck. I'm so done. I'm so fucking done. I've been wanting to tell people that, like, let's just stream together. Just tell them that we're fucking married. Because it's like, our relationship would be better if we just stream them. And it's fighting all the time. But no, Mr. Don't say that because it's going to ruin the business model. It's not time yet. Fuck yourself. I'm done with it. I'm not going to fuck you anymore. Piece of shit. It's fucking working now. No, it's not plugged in here. Fucking done with this shit. You want me to tell them I'm single? It's about to be true. Piece of shit. Go fuck yourself. Small dick anyways. God damn it. This is not plugged in. I'm so done with it. He can go fuck himself. And he's like, oh shit, you're alive. You saw that. You heard that voice fucking change. It's like, oh fuck, went silent completely. And then, oh, why did you swap me? Dude, you fucking already said that was fake and that you were lying about it, you asshole. Yeah, maybe don't do that. God. You ruined it. Yeah? Okay. Good. Fucking done with it. Too long. Don't get married. It's a trap.